Hi Indonesians learners! Before we start our lesson, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification to keep you updated on new lessons videos. So, shall we start? Today, we will learn Indonesian's colloquial ko. What is the meaning of ko and how to use it just like an Indonesian's native speaker? Ko has two functions in Bahasa Indonesia. The first function is to emphasize. When you put ko in the end of the sentence, the functions of ko is to emphasize. For example, sudah tahu kok? I know it already. Itu gampang kok. That's easy. Saya nggak apa-apa kok. I'm okay. The second function, ko can be used to ask a questions. If we put ko in front of the sentence, the functions of ko is the same as why. For example, kok bisa? How come? Kok kamu marah? Why are you angry? Kok gitu? Why is it like that? Another example. Hari ini mendung, tapi kok tidak hujan? Today is cloudy, but why is it not raining? Well, after our lessons today, have you understood how to use ko? If you still have questions, you can ask your questions and you also can try to create your own sentences in the comment sections below. I will check your sentences and answer your questions. If you think this video helps you to learn Bahasa Indonesia, please share this video to help others learn Indonesians too. See you in the next video. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya.